Hi, I'm Roger from RutsPlus.com, and this is what we do. So we've designed this machine to suit our customers' needs. You know, they really want to see their gravel roads and their dairy lanes worked up and relaid with no potholes and corrugations appearing the same as it has before. And because we've got a good stable platform to work with, the drawbar pivoting in two different places, and the front end has its own torsion bar system, so then it stays flat and it doesn't bounce. So here we've got 92 carbide teeth that spin at the same speed as the vehicle, and the more passes you do, the deeper it goes, mixing the material back together, shattering the road and getting the material back to what it would have been like when it was first laid. It's all designed for the ease of the operator. It's got a wireless remote control, it's got GPS, it's got a screen on the dash so we can see what we're doing, and it's all run by one 12-volt battery that's charged by the vehicle. So if you're interested in what we do, like and subscribe, and we'll leave a link down below of our website, RutsPlus.com, which has plenty of other videos on there that we've done in the past. Until next time.